Hello, Aviator Ben subscribers. Just here to update you on the latest regarding my Piper Dakota. It's annual, as if you had a chance to see the previous video, whereby I described some of the challenges that I faced after the plane's annual. I had some problems during the run-up. The Magnetos check failed. The other thing was that I had a real hard time starting the engine. So I made the decision not to fly, and I returned the plane to the shop and informed the mechanic. He then checked it again and informed me that probably the Magnetos were bad and now need to be sent out and be repaired. I had about 430 hours on the Magnetos, so and I'm told that it's not unusual for the Magnetos to require service after 400 hours as well. In any case, they were sent out, repaired, and the mechanic was able to install the repaired Magnetos back in the aircraft. The bill was pretty hefty. It cost just the repair on the Magnetos themselves was about $1,700 and change, close to $1,800. So it was not cheap. In any case, it was installed, and this video is my test flight that I am taking the plane for the first time after its second go around on the annual, and take it out for a test flight. Unfortunately, the weather did not cooperate with me, and I was only able to do a couple of touch and goes. And a few days later, I then took the plane 2 hours to make sure that everything is working properly. One of the major reasons that I wanted to do it pretty quickly was that my plan is to fly to Florida, and I wanted to make sure that that plane was safe and would pass all the pre-check and run-up checks that I needed to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, ready to go do the pre-flight. Let's copter.
Traffic, Cherokee, taxiing to a run-up area, Minden traffic. Okay, run up. So, loop up on. Okay, set, brakes, right, flight control. Left, right, right, left. Elevator, check. Okay, next. Flight instruments, check and set. Okay, mixture, rich. Flight instruments. Let me check this. 3-3. Okay. Throttle 2000 RPM. 2000 RPM. Magnetos. Check. Right. Check. Beautiful. Propeller. Check. Check. Temperature, pressure check. Engine instruments. Check. Aviator, check, throttle. Okay, ready to go.
Linden Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2005 Zulu weather. Wind 290 at 15, gust 24, visibility 10, ceiling 4100, broken 4. 4,800.
Linden traffic, Cherokee entering runway 27, doing some pattern work. Linden. Earth is alive. Gauges are in the green. Rotate. Ground effect. Looks good so far. Traffic, Cherokee left downwind, runway 27, Linden.
Rockville traffic, Piper 50 Golf is red base, runway 29 in Rockville.
Traffic, Cherokee turning left base, runway 27, Linden. Right clear, right clear. Lights, camera, action. Okay. Give it 25. Traffic, Cherokee, doing more pattern work, leaving runway 27, Linden. Okay, that's good. That's not bad landing.
Mark Cleveland, you look marvelous, darling, and you know who you are.
Traffic, Cherokee clear, runway 27, Linden.